Hello guys, we are going to talk about comment backlinks in this video. Basically, we will discuss all the things about comment backlinks. What are the comment backlinks? How can we make it? What are the precautions? All the things. I am Chandrapal Mevla, Digital Marketing Manager at Edits of Digital Private Limited. Let's start this video. So first of all, what is a comment backlink? When we go to a website post and try to put our reviews or our comments for the website articles and try to take a backlink from it for our website, or when we participate in a discussion and try to take a backlink for our website from this discussion, these will be called as comment backlinks. Comment backlinks are normally more powerful than other backlinks. It can help our website to rank rapidly in search engines. So it is more powerful than the other backlinks, but at the same time it is more dangerous, because if we will make a wrong comment backlink, it can affect our website negatively and make our ranking down in the search engines. So it is very important to make a comment backlink correctly. So now we can move further how to create a comment backlink properly. The first thing is we will create only do follow comment backlinks. I have already discussed about do follow links and no follow links in my previous video. You can watch it over there. So the first thing is we need to create only do follow comment backlinks. What are the precautions? The number of other website links on the web page should not be more than 5. इट मीन्स जब भी हम किसी वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे या किसी भी डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए ट्राई करेंगे, तो देयर विल बी ऑलरेडी सम लिंक्स फ्रॉम आवर कंपटीटर्स, that will be external links. These links should not be more than 5. The second thing is DA should be more than 40. Third is spam score should be less than 20. And the fourth precautions is we will create comment backlink only on English language websites. These are the precautions, and now we can move further how to create comment backlinks. तो सबसे पहले we will check the number of external links on the web page where we are going to comment for our website. The second thing is we will check the content of the article or the discussion, because जब भी हम किसी भी वेब पे कमेंट करने जाएंगे या किसी भी डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे, तो हमारा जो कमेंट होगा दैट शुड बी रेलेवेंट टू द वेबसाइट टॉपिक और वेबसाइट डिस्कशन. हम कुछ भी कमेंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. रेलेवेंसी इज इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज the website admins are going to see your comment, and if they will not find it relevant to the web page or relevant to the discussion, they will delete your comment. So relevancy is important. First we will read the content of the article or the discussion, and we will make our comment accordingly. The third thing is we need to check the पैटर्न ऑफ कमेंट. मीन्स जब भी हम कमेंट करने जाएंगे देयर विल बी सम प्रीवियस कमेंट्स ओवर देयर, एंड हम उन कमेंट्स के पैटर्न को चेक करेंगे कि जो भी प्रीवियसली बैकलिंक्स बनाए गए हैं उनमें जो भी बैकलिंक्स हैं वो कमेंट बॉक्स में मिले हैं या वेबसाइट सेक्शन में मिले हैं ओवर द नेम ऑफ द कमेंट. सो सबसे पहले जो हमें पैटर्न चेक करना है उसमें हमें ये चेक करना है कि जो भी लिंक्स हैं वो कमेंट बॉक्स में मिले हैं या फिर जो भी बैक लिंक्स हैं वो वेबसाइट सेक्शन में मिले हैं ओवर द नेम. So let's see some examples. This is a sample sheet of a competitor. ऐसे ही शीट्स आप लोगों को आपके मेंटोर प्रोवाइड करेंगे from which you need to find comment backlinks. There is a article title in this URL. It means it is a article web page. We can get a comment backlink in article. This is a forum discussion. We can participate and get a backlink over here. This is also a discussion. This is a article. We might get a comment over here. So let's check. This is an article post and we can take a comment backlink here. सबसे पहले हमें क्या क्या चीज़ें चेक करनी है वो देख लेते हैं. DA should be the number of website links should not be more than 5. So there is 4 comments of links are 5, means we can make our comments here. Should be the number of other website links on the web page. Okay, means अगर नंबर ऑफ लिंक्स 5 और लेस देन 5 है तो हम कमेंट कर सकते हैं. What are the procedure? So second thing is DA. The DA of the website is 50. It is more than 40. It means it is okay. The spam score should be less than 20. The spam score is 3, means it is also okay. The language of the website should be English. It is in English, means it is also okay. Now check the number of links. We have already done it. Check the topic of the content. Now we are going to make our comment and we need to know about our topic. Our topic is Explain Artist 22 Pro Scale Drawing Monitor Review. Okay, a perfect tablet for digital painting you can buy. Okay, ठीक है. Now check the pattern of comments. In the previous comments they are taking the backlinks in the comment box, so we will put our comment backlink in the comment box only, not in the web section, because they are taking in the comment box. It is do follow, and in the web page section here, if we will put our link here, it will provide a no follow link, but if we will put a comment backlink in the comment box, it will provide a do follow link. So we will put our link in the comment box. Now let's make our comment, put a relevant comment, सो हमने एक रिलेवेंट कमेंट पुट कर दिया है. एंड सपोज वी आर मेकिंग बैकलिंक फॉर XYZ कंपनी. आई एम टेकिंग इट फॉर ओनली फॉर एग्जांपल. जब आप लोगों को आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स मिलेंगे तो आपको आपके प्रोजेक्ट के नेम एंड यूआरएल्स आपको मिलेंगे. आई एम जस्ट taking XYZ company for example. Now I have already put the name, email address, and there is a security question. What color is a green, orange? Normally ये ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, तो आंसर भी यही इसी में होता है कुछ ना कुछ. So firstly let's try this. I will put my links on this keyword. Suppose my website URL is xyz.com. It is only for example. It is now in the form of a backlink. हम इसे कॉपी कर लेते हैं अपने कमेंट को. Now I will try to put my comment. And there is some wrong. It is saying please retry captcha, means our answer was wrong. Let's try this now. ओके ये हमने कमेंट बैकलिंक क्रिएट कर लिया है. नाउ आवर कमेंट इज हियर. हेलो आई वर्क फॉर XYZ कंपनी समथिंग 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 एंड आवर लिंक इज हियर. इट इज़ अ डू फॉलो लिंक. द DA is 50. Spam score is less than 3. Number of links are good. And it is in English language website, means it is a perfect comment backlink. So this was the whole process to create a comment backlink. I hope you liked it and understood how to filter a comment backlink. Now I'm going to close this video. Goodbye.